about to go to the base, I think. Got to meet up with a couple of the homies. We got our big neighbors. But yo, we're about to head to the base and yeah, we'll see you soon. Yo, we're back again. Today, Caleb bring his S15 around. It's gonna lower it and roll his guards a bit, do a loom tuck on it, just remove all the plastic and the wells out of it, and yeah, just get it sitting at a good ride height. Cause I'll show you guys now. And this is what I'm not gonna say which shop did this, but a certain shop in Hamilton said that they wouldn't lower it lower than this. This was the max height they'd lower it at. And I just think they've literally taken the coilovers out of the box and just put them in, so look at this. So this is meant to be as low as they could go. Yeah, as I said, I'm not going to mention the shop, but that is ridiculous. So don't worry about it, don't worry, bring it around in the morning. I'll have it sorted for you by the end of the day. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're still going to do a bit of musical cars, switch the cars around. And then get this thing in here, and yeah. Also, I raised up the 13 like maybe like this much, and it rolls now. So check this. Boom. Finally got a bit of clearance, and oh, not too much clearance, but you see there's clearance in there. Look, she's not rubbing, not hitting. Check this side. This guard's a bit wonky on this other side, but shouldn't be hitting. No. No hitting. Let's move all these cars around and get into it. Don't know about you guys, but love me some SR20 at 10 in the morning. How about you guys? How about the neighbors? Yeah, nah, you're keen. Ready? With the older, they got the newest. What do you reckon? So we got the 15 in here. Just gonna start re-rolling these rear guards and just getting the lip all the way up. Cause yeah, as I said, whoever did this previously did not. Oh, you really can't see, but they just did not do the right job. What do you guys reckon about this? 13, 13, 14, or 15? What do you guys reckon? Well, you choose this, or this. Wish I could afford all three. Maybe I'll offer them. Nah. But yeah, we'll get stuck into the work on this. And yeah, I also need to do loom tuck. I'm going to restore the headlights. A few more things. But enough talking. Let's start doing. So we're just doing a bit of a headlight restore on this. You got your trusty auto sol metal polish. So yeah, this is obviously the before. Look at all that, all cloudy and that. It's after though. Woo! Look at that. So yo, be back in a sec. Take note of that, because you ain't gonna look like that. It's look brand new. But yeah, if you're wondering how to do this, you literally need auto sol metal polish and a rag. Because yeah, look, this was what actually came off the headlights. That's all the yellowing you see. All that, and then yeah, just make sure you find a clean spot. Boom, wipe them off, and voila. Wrap with that. That turned out bloody good. So yeah, now we're back onto rolling and lowering, sacking. But yeah, this is the before fitment. As you can see, yeah, nah, I'm not too happy with that. But yeah, this car also got certed pretty high, so I got to be a little bit careful, somewhat careful. I don't want the bro to get pulled up or anything, but still get over that Streetside treatment. I just added a 3mm spacer onto the other side. Rolled the guard fully, because yeah, as I said earlier in the video, the wheel and tyre shop that rolled the guards, yep, didn't really roll the guards. And I can show you that too. I'll show you a shop rolled guard and your mate rolled guard, and I think mine's better. But yeah, this is the other height. Stick it out that little bit more. Just added a little 3mm in there that you can't see, so. I'll do, but here we go. Hopefully I don't drop on my head.
Nice. Not too bad.
Oh, it's actually so fair opening. Oh, good.
Straight up, G. That looks nice.
As long as she's fucking safe on both sides.
Hard.
Oh, jeez.
Safe that side.
I'm actually really
Safe. Oh, fuck. Safe that side.
Restored headlights looking fancy. That fitment not looking fancy, but this fitment she looking good. I mean, yeah, they're only like 18.9s or something, so like they're not actually the best fitment for this car, but it's still lowered. Looks so much better now. Just taking fender off now, so let me do that right quick, and I'll see you in a bit. Holy shit, that took me like an hour to get that damn fender off. Like 6 bolts like in here, like I didn't even see those. Had like another 4 or 5 bolts up here, 1 in there, 3 down there, few in here, but it's off. Ready for the loom tuck. The last thing we need to do before we can finally lower the front, get it matching with the back. Yeah, check this fitment. Check this fitty though, boys. Fuck, just finished up. Check the headlights though. Damn. Oh, they're looking gang. Yo, tip rope. Yo, some places this week the sun's in the way, but we're back this morning. Swader wrap turned up, just sitting over there. But you have to wait for that. Yeah, we're about to head out, and yo, we'll see you at the skate park. Back home now. My gaskets are fully toasted. Bolt came out, gaskets hanging out half out the side. So that's probably gonna have to get fixed. Oh, obviously, definitely gonna get fixed. So that's that. We just cut off some excess suede, just try to keep as much as we can because this stuff is pretty expensive. Yeah. So what she's gonna look like, bit of a basic look. And then we're using the trusty A2 CRC Ultra High Strength Spray Adhesive Instant Permanent Bond, laminates, linings and trims, metal, rubber, and anyway, we're about to slap this on now. Hopefully we do it well. If we don't, we're about to find out because we're gonna flip shit. We don't actually know what we're doing.
Yeah, that's the first time. If we can do it, you can do it.
Spray the shit out of this. Spray the shit out of the dash first. Yeah. Go hard. So yeah, what you're meant to do, we don't actually know, but what you're hopefully meant to do is spray the dash down first. And hard.
So we put it on high.
Boom, you wanna get this shit everywhere. Everywhere. Another date, another startup. Old mate got a Swift back. Oh, you can't see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. The old green sticker on it. Bye yo. Biggest hole in the turbo gasket. You don't even want to see it. Like 2 of the bolts missing too. Should be right. Yeah, we got another customer's car coming over today. White 180SX. I think we're doing loom tuck, rolling guards, and lowering it. So that's gonna be pretty sick. Bit of Saturday work, bit of mahi. We're just gonna pull this out, do a bit of a rearrange of the cars, and yeah, hopefully that pulls up soon. And yeah, just took the fenders off, just took bumper off, skirts off, the little fender pieces off. It's all off now. It took a damn long time, especially since it's never actually come off the car. So since the factory. So yep. Just about to attack this loom tuck real quick. Someone's tried to do it and they've tucked it in here, but it's actually meant to be up here. Yeah, what we'll do is we'll slot here and flatten this all down, smooth it out, and yeah, bring the loom and tuck it all the way up here. Just so, we'll tuck it through here and then we'll drop it back down, so just so it's not in the way anymore. The car's jacked up and that's how close it is, so that's dodgy. Beast. Got the other beast. It's like, I don't even know how you can see, but so it's like, I don't know, 35 degrees outside. Oh, it's that massive black mark put on my face. Oh. Bye, yo. I'm gonna smash this out, and then I'll see you guys. Hey, look at this thing.
It must have like a leak.
Man's got a fucking roach in his shit. Oh. Anyway, back to the non-cockroach. Loom's all tucked up in there. Look at all that space now. Boom, used to be sitting like here, and it ran all the way down here. But yeah, now it's just tucked up. All in there, all the space. Yeah, loom tuck's done. We'll chuck the fender back on now. Give the guards a bit of a roll, and yeah, set a good height. I think we might need to adjust the camber a little bit, but we'll find out anyway. Bye, yo.